Hello friends, in today's video we will be discussing black African American wrestlers in WWE. We will cover how many male and female black wrestlers are currently part of the WWE roster. Number 1. R-Truth. R-Truth's real name is Ronnie Ron Clines. He was born on January 19, 1972 in Charlotte, North Carolina, United States. As of 2024, R-Truth is 52 years old. Number 2. Bobby Lashley. Bobby Lashley's real name is Franklin Roberto Lashley. He was born on July 16, 1976 in Junction City, Kansas, United States. As of 2024, Bobby Lashley is 48 years old. Number 3. Carmelo Hayes. Carmelo Hayes' real name is Kristen Brigham. He was born on August 1, 1994 in Farmington, Massachusetts, United States. As of 2024, Carmelo Hayes is 30 years old. Number 4. Mark Henry. Mark Henry's real name is Mark Gerald Henry. He was born on June 12, 1971 in Clisby, Texas, United States. As of 2024, Mark Henry is 53 years old. Number 5. Jet Cargill. Jet Cargill's real name is Jet Nicole Cargill. She was born on June 3, 1992 in Gifford, Florida, United States. As of 2024, Jet Cargill is 32 years old. Number 6. Apollo Crews. Apollo Crews' real name is Cesar Uha. He was born on August 22, 1987 in Sacramento, California, United States. As of 2024, he is 36 years old. Number 7. Cat Lee. Cat Lee's birth name is Cat Gerard Lee II. He was born on November 8, 1984 in Wichita Falls, Texas, United States. Cat Lee is 39 years old in 2024. Number 8. Montez Ford. Montez Ford, whose real name is Neith Crawford, was born on May 31, 1990 in Chicago, Illinois, United States. As of 2024, he is 34 years old. Number 9. Bianca Belair. Bianca Belair's real name is Bianca Nicole Belair Crawford. She was born on April 9, 1989 in Knoxville, Tennessee, United States. Bianca Belair is 35 years old as of 2024. Number 10. Booker T. Booker T's real name is Ronnie Booker T. Hoffman Jr. He was born on March 1, 1965 in Plantaling, Louisiana, United States. As of 2024, Booker T is 59 years old. Number 11. Cedric Alexander. Cedric Alexander's full name is Cedric Alexander Johnson. He was born on August 16, 1989 in Charlotte, North Carolina, United States. As of 2024, he is 34 years old. Number 12. Omos. Omos' real name is Tolulop Jordan Omokpin. He was born on May 16, 1994 in Lagos, Nigeria. As of 2024, Omos is 30 years old. Number 13. Titus O'Neil. Titus O'Neil's real name is Thaddeus Michael Blood. He was born on April 29, 1977 in Burton Beach, Florida, United States. As of 2024, Titus O'Neil is 47 years old. Number 14. Big E. Big E's real name is Ettore Evan. He was born on March 1, 1986 in Tampa, Florida, United States. As of 2024, Big E is 38 years old. Number 15. Kamala. Kamala, whose real name was James Arthur Harris. He was born on May 28, 1950 in Senatobia, Mississippi, United States. Kamala passed away on August 9, 2020 at the age of 70. Number 16. Odyssey Jones. Odyssey Jones' real name is Omari Chahi Palmer. He was born on May 17, 1994 in Coram, New York, United States. As of 2024, Odyssey Jones is 30 years old. Number 17. Kofi Kingston. Kofi Kingston's birth name is Kofi Nahaji Sarkodie Mensah. He was born on August 14, 1981 in Kumasi, Ghana. Kofi Kingston is 43 years old as of 2024. Number 18. Naomi. Naomi, whose real name is Trinity Fatu, was born on November 30, 1987 in Sanford, Florida, United States. She is 36 years old in 2024. Number 19. Athena. Athena's real name is Adrienne Palmer. She was born on August 31, 1988 in Garland, Texas, United States. Athena is 35 years old as of 2024. Number 20. Shelton Benjamin. Shelton Benjamin's full name is Shelton James Benjamin. He was born on July 9, 1975 in Orangeburg, South Carolina, United States. As of 2024, Shelton Benjamin is 49 years old. Number 21. The Boogeyman. The Boogeyman born Martin Ritt on July 15, 1964 in Phoenix, Arizona, United States. Boogeyman is 60 years old in 2024. Number 22. Xavier Woods. Xavier Woods' real name is Austin Watson. He was born on September 4, 1986 in Columbus, Georgia, United States. As of 2024, Xavier Woods is 37 years old. Number 23. Cameron. Cameron, whose real name is Trevor Lee Cadell, was born on September 30, 1993 in Cameron, North Carolina, United States. He is 30 years old as of 2024. Number 24. Devon Dudley. Devon Dudley's birth name is Devon Hughes. He was born on August 1, 1972 in Rochelle, New York, United States. As of 2024, Devon Dudley is 52 years old. Number 25. Alicia Fox. Alicia Fox's real name is Victoria Elizabeth Crawford. She was born on June 30, 1986 in Ponte Vedra Beach, Florida, United States. As of 2024, Alicia Fox is 38 years old. Number 26. The Godfather. The Godfather born Charles Ritt on May 16, 1961 in Las Vegas, Nevada, United States. The Godfather is 63 years old in 2024. Number 27. Powerhouse Hobbs. Powerhouse Hobbs' real name is William Hobson. He was born on January 23, 1991 in East Palo Alto, California, United States. As of 2024, Powerhouse Hobbs is 33 years old. Number 28. Chess. Chess, whose real name is Carlin Denise Moore Bignard, was born on August 27, 1973 in New Orleans, Louisiana, United States. Jazz is 50 years old in 2024. Number 29. Dwayne Johnson. Dwayne Johnson, also known as Rock, was born Dwayne Douglas Johnson on May 2, 1972 in Hayward, California, United States. He is 52 years old as of 2024. Number 30. Jason Jordan. Jason Jordan's real name is Nathan Everhard. He was born on September 28, 1988 in Chicago, Illinois, United States. Jason Jordan is 35 years old in 2024. Number 31. Chell Ethel. Chell Ethel born Chama Shipman on April 29, 1985 in Elizabeth, New Jersey, United States. He is 39 years old as of 2024. Number 32. Wesley. Wesley's birth name is Davion Everhart Aikens. He was born on November 2, 1994 in Titan, Ohio, United States. As of 2024, Wesley is 29 years old. Number 33. Sasha Banks. Sasha Banks, whose real name is Mercedes Justin Castro Bernardo, was born on January 26, 1992 in Fairfield, California, United States. Sasha Banks is 32 years old as of 2024. Number 34. Shaquille O'Neal. Shaquille O'Neal full name is Shaquille Roshan O'Neal. He was born on March 6, 1972 in New York, New Jersey, United States. As of 2024, Shaquille O'Neal is 52 years old. Number 35. MVP. MVP, whose real name is Hassan Asad, was born on October 28, 1973 in Miami, Florida, United States. He is 50 years old in 2024. Number 36. Brandy Rhodes. Brandy Rhodes born Brandy Alexis Reynolds on June 23, 1983 in Canton, Michigan, United States. Brandy Rhodes is 41 years old as of 2024. Number 37. Ricochet. Ricochet's real name is Trevor Dean Mann. He was born on October 11, 1988 in Alton, Illinois, United States. As of 2024, Ricochet is 35 years old. Number 38. Nyla Rose. Nyla Rose born with the same name on August 3, 1982 in Washington, D.C., United States, is 42 years old in 2024. Number 39. Leo Rush. Leo Rush, whose real name is Lionel Gerard Green, was born on November 11, 1994 in Lanham, Maryland, United States. He is 29 years old as of 2024. Number 40, Sharmell. Sharmell born Sharmell Sullivan Huffman on November 2, 1970 in Gray, Indiana, United States, is 53 years old in 2024. Number 41, Viscera. Viscera, whose real name was Nelson Frazier Jr., was born on February 14, 1971 in Goldsboro, North Carolina, United States. Unfortunately, Viscera passed away on February 18, 2024 at the age of 43. Number 42, B-Fab. B-Fab's real name is Brianna Brandy. She was born on November 22, 1990 in Canton, Ohio, United States. As of 2024, B-Fab is 33 years old. Number 43, Baron Sexton. Baron Sexton born Brand Justice Kelly on August 20, 1981 in Brooke, Virginia, United States, is 42 years old in 2024. Number 44, Jacqueline. Jacqueline's real name is Jacqueline DeLois Moore. She was born on January 6, 1964 in Dallas, Texas, United States. Jacqueline is 60 years old as of 2024. Number 45, Rocky Johnson. Rocky Johnson born Bad Douglas Falls on August 24, 1944 in Amherst, Nova Scotia, Canada. Rocky Johnson passed away on January 15, 2020 at the age of 75. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel Wrestle Series Comparison and turn on the bell notification. See you in the next video. Stay connected with us and thanks for watching.